975 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 5 and it is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So 975 divided by 5 is 195. So this much for today and thanks for watching.